how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best spicy apps to your Firestick. The ones which are totally free and pretty easy to set up. And first of all, without any further ado, what you have to do is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. And you can get Downloader free of charge. Just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on it, and now there is the app that you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So go and click on the settings button, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for your Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install non-apps, and from here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on the Firestick. Here it is, open it up, and there is the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to New Zealand right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So you'll go back to the list of apps on the device, locate Downloader, and open it up on your Firestick. And when the app opens, just go straight to the search bar and start typing in the code, which will be 647 and then 190. So once again, the first code will be 647190. Click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot. And now the download of the app has started, usually takes only a couple of seconds. Then you click on install and just wait for the app to finish installing on your Fire TV stick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary installation files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on the Fire TV stick, you'll open it up, and here's the first app that we got for your Fire TV stick. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. And just like that, we got the first app for you, but it's definitely not the last one today. So we just go back to downloader, click on home again, and now we'll get a couple more amazing similar apps for you. So the second code will be 953562. So once again, it's 953562. That's the code number 2 we are gonna use today. Click on go, and now in a couple of moments the download of the second app should start for us. And that's right, the download of the second app has started, so just wait a bit until it's finished. And then you click on install and just wait until the whole process finishes. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files once again. So click on delete and delete once again. And now if you go to the list of apps on the Fire Stick, you'll open it up, and here will be the second app that we got for you. So let's put it up around as well, and now you already got 2 amazing Spice applications. And now we'll head straight back into downloader, so I could get you a third application, which is also pretty good. So the code for the third app will be 4388713. So it's once again 4388713, and we just follow the same process as before. Click on go and wait until the download of the third application starts. And now the third app started downloading. Literally took us around 3 seconds to get the app. And then of course you also have to install it to your Firestick device, just as always. Then don't forget to get rid of the installation files. And lastly, you can go to the list of apps on your device, open it up, wait a moment, and there's the third app we got for you. So enjoy all those amazing apps, and don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe online. See you next time. Bye bye.